Good morning, my dear student. This course, Problematic Soil and Their Management, have been offered for 4 semester class, and myself, Dr. Arvind Kumar, and Dr. N.C. Gupta, and also S.V. Kumar act as a instructor of this course. So, in recent time, management of problematic soil is most important because we cannot increase our land or expand our land for the cultivation. So, only option to increase per unit yield from the crop, from the field to feed our large population. So this is a very challenging topic, problematic soil and management. As you know, problematic soils develop due to the changes in the character of the soil due to the climatic variation, due to the parent material effect, due to the anthropogenic impact, and there are so many causes that develop a problems in the soil, and our soil deviates their property from their normal property. As for example, if pH will be acidic, as you know pH scale vary from the 0 to 14, and in this case if our soil due to the any reason so the acidity, there is a lot of problem created and cannot be supply sufficient nutrients to the plant system. Just like if our soil goes toward the salinity and sodicity, also nutrients content will be a problem. So normal pH, that is 6.5 to 7.3 is the normal pH, ideal pH, and of this pH most of the nutrients will be available to the plant and our crop and plant become healthy. So today I am going to discuss about the acidic soil because in all over the India 100 million hectare soil affecting from the soil acidity, and in our Jharkhand 10 lakh hectare affecting due to the soil acidity problem. All over world in northeast, Bihar, Odisha, West Bengal, Himachal Pradesh, Kerala, some part of Bihar and some part of the Maharashtra, Dapoli also affected due to the soil acidity. So soil acidity management is a major task, major challenge for the agriculturist, and through the managing acid soil we can increase a lot of food gain in our country. So first question arises, what are the acid soil? As you know, by definition, soil having pH below 7 all are acidic in nature. The lower the pH, more acidity in the soil. Each unit pH if drop, then 100 times more acidity increase in the soil system. Now, how soil become acidic? This is the most vital question. How soil become converted into the acidity? Actually, in rainfall areas where rainfall is exceed due to the evapotranspiration, in that area, for example, northeast, Himachal, Jharkhand, converted into the acidic condition due to the washing or leaching of calcium and magnesium from the soil system. So, soil of the humid region usually contain little or no weatherable calcium and magnesium mineral. Sandy soil often are the first to become acidic because water percolation is rapid or more a small reservoir of the bases because its buffering capacity is less. Now, crop production is the second most important region. Harvesting of crop has its own soil acidity development because first crop absorb the lime like the element from the soil system and day by day our soil declining of the calcium and magnesium nutrients. Second is when these crops are harvested, the produce is removed from the field, some of the basic mineral is lost and the net effect increase soil acidity. Now, second, crop production is the main reason. Harvesting crop has its effect on soil acidity development because crop absorb the lime-like element as cation for their nutrition. When these crops are harvested and the produce is removed from the field, some of the basic mineral is lost and the net effect is increased soil acidity. Now, parent material is also the cause and main reason that develop the soil acidity. As you see in this slide, soil developed from the granite material are likely to more acidic than soil developed from the calcareous shale and limestone. Now, organic matter decay is also a reason, and this is the reason all the forest soil show the acidity problems or soil become acidic because decaying soil material produce HIN, soil acidity. Carbon dioxide is produced by the decaying organic matter which reacts with the water to produce weak carbonic acid, and this is the reason this weak acid is the present in the soil system and our soil converted into the acidic nature. Now, man-made process, when we are responsible, we are also responsible to develop the soil acidity in the soil system. First, application of ammonia producing fertilizer like urea, ammonium sulfate acidifies soil through a biological reaction by which ammonia is oxidized in nitrate and HIN and produces nitrate, HIN and water. Now, form of the acidity, it is the most important because acidity remain in the soil system in two reserves. First reserve is called active acidity, refers to the H and ammonium ion in the soil solution, and this is the more reactive. Second is the exchangeable acidity, includes exchangeable H, usually a small amount in the mineral soil but abundant in the organic soil extracted with a neutral unbuffered salt solution. Now, this picture reflects a clear-cut concept of reserve acidity and soil reserve acidity and also the active acidity. You can say this is the system of the soil acidity, soil solution, and this is the soil collapse. As you know, our soil are negatively charged and it have a maximum distance collider attraction capacity, so that this aluminum and HIN is the positively charged and attract by the soil collapse, and so these are the reserve acidity remain in the these are the exchangeable acidity remain in the soil system, and these are the soil acidity remain in the soil solution, and this is the more active and that affect the soil system or the plant system. Now, distribution of acid soil in the India. This is also most important. I have already discussed in the earlier slides. These are the area where acidity is more. Actually, this area received high precipitation and there is less evapotranspiration. So most of the bases like calcium and magnesium leach down, and this eastern India, also Jharkhand, this is the point of the Jharkhand, and this is the Kerala. In Kerala, cat soil is the most dominant, and these are the some Himachal Pradesh suffering from the soil acidity problem. This is the map of the Jharkhand and clearly reflected district wise which district have more acidity problem. Now, thank you, and interaction with the student. Actually, this is my email number and this is my contact number, and my student, you are already free to contact any time for any query on my lecture. Thank you.